Now let us see how to solve a variable entrant K-map. So initially we will start with solving the variable entrant K-map, which is containing only one variable in the variable entrant, and then we will solve the variable entrant K-map where we may be having more than one variables inside the K-map. Okay, so let us read the procedure first. So first step 1 is keep all the variables in 0 and get the expression. Second step, select any variable out of, for example, if you have d and d complement, these are two, consider these two as two different variables. So select any variable, keep it 1, and other variables should be kept as 0, and replace all the 1 with don't care conditions, and then we repeat the step number 3. So let me show you this step by step. So first step is we want to do step number 1. So what is the step number 1? For this K-map, keep all the variables in 0 and get the expression. So let us keep all the variables as 0. This is the K-map. This is A. This is BC. This is B complement C complement. B complement C. BC. BC complement. This is A complement. This is A. So step 1 is keep all the variables as 0 and get the expression. If you keep D as 0, this D as 0, D complement as 0, D complement as 0, and we get this. Okay, now for this, get the SOP expression. Get the SOP expression. What is the SOP expression? We will be making this particular subcube. So in this subcube, the SOP expression will be B complement C. Okay, and then we move on to the step number 2. What is the step number 2? If we have D and D complement, consider D and D complement as separate variables. Put D as 1. Select any variable, keep it as 1, and the other variables should be kept as 0, and every one should be kept as don't care combination. For example, let us make this one. In step number 2, for this K-map, this is A, this is BC, this is A complement A, this is B complement C complement, B complement C, BC, and BC complement. For this particular K-map, keep D as 1, keep D complement as 0, and all the ones as don't care combination. So if you keep D as 1, here also we have D. If you have D complement, keep it as 0. If you have D complement, keep it as 0. All the ones, keep it then don't care. For example, here we have 1, keep this one as don't care, and here also we have don't care combination. Here we have 0. Now for this K-map, get an expression. So this K-map, we drew this K-map for this D. So this K-map is denoting D. So for this, get an SOP expression. For example, we can make a subcube like this. We can make a subcube like this. So this subcube is denoting A complement, B complement. This subcube, it is denoting A complement, C. So the SOP expression for this will be A complement B complement plus A complement C dot D. Step 3 is repeat the above step by selecting each variable. For example, we have the variable D3. So let us do the step 3. In the step 3, we are going to get D complement as 1, and we are going to take D as 0. This is A, this is BC, B complement C complement, B complement C, BC, BC complement, A complement, and A. Now in the step 3, we are going to solve this K-map for D complement. Keep D complement as 1, keep D as 0, and keep 1 as don't care. So if you keep D complement as 1, keep D as 0, keep D as 0, keep D complement as 1, keep 1 as don't care, and this is 0 and this is don't care. Now for this, get an SOP expression. So what are the combinations you can make? One combination can be this, and the second combination can be this, or you can also make a combination like this. So no need to make this combination, that will be better. Okay, so this combination is representing BC complement, this combination is representing A B complement. So the SOP expression for this will be AB complement plus BC complement, and we drew this for D complement. We created this for D complement dot D complement. Now we had only two variables, d and d complement. Now step 4 is SOP for variable entrant is obtained by ORing the above SOP expressions. For example, we OR these three. So the first SOP expression is b complement c, plus the next SOP expression is a complement b complement plus a complement c dot d, plus third SOP expression is ab complement plus bc complement dot d complement. Okay, so this is the solution equation for the given variable entrant K-map. This is the solution equation for the given variable entrant K-map. Okay, now let us take more examples for variable entrant K-maps.